Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, we civilized human beings, never mind American or Indian or German or Englishman, it doesn't matter. We are very few. So we have got economic problems. We are trying for developing our economic condition. What is that economic condition? Eating, sleeping, mating and defending. We are busy always. But the animals are also busy for eating, sleeping, mating and defending. But they have no problem. We have got problems. So just try to understand, if the major portion of the living entities have no problem, their necessities of life are being supplied by the Supreme Eternal God. Just like an elephant. There are millions of elephants in African jungle. They eat at a time 50 kilos, but they are getting their food. Similarly, a small ant, it requires a grain of sugar. So he is also getting his food. So the Supreme Eternal has arranged food, or the economic problems are solved by nature. They do not do any business. They do not go to school or colleges to learn technology, to earn livelihood. But they are being supplied, they are healthy. There is no disease. So, our advancement of civilization means we have created problems. That's all. This is our advancement of civilization, and we do not know what is the formation of the soul, how it is transmigrating from one body to another, what is the next life, whether we are getting next life a human being or better than human being or lower than human being. And if it is so, how we are getting that form of life next? Because we are eternal. We are changing this body. Neither we do know there are two kinds of bodies, the gross body and the subtle body. This gross body is made of earth, water, fire, air, ether. And the subtle body is made of mind, intelligence and ego. Within the subtle body, the soul is there. Now, when this gross body becomes useless or unworkable, then the subtle body carries me to another gross body. This is called transmigration of the soul. But we do not see the subtle body. Every one of us, we know that we have got mind, but we cannot see the mind. Neither we can see intelligence, neither I can see what is mind, ego. But they are existing. It is not necessary that everything you have to see with your blunt eyes. The eyes, they are not perfect. Just like the other side of this hall is dark, I cannot see, although I have got the eyes. So, even though you have got eyes, it is very imperfect. You cannot see in all circumstances. Under certain circumstances we can see. Therefore, we should not believe simply by seeing. But one thing, although I cannot see you, you can hear me, or I can understand that you are hearing. The ears are stronger than the eyes. So, things which is beyond our experience, we can hear about. Even though we cannot see, it does not mean there is no existence of things. The same example. Even though I cannot see what is mind, what is intelligence, what is ego, but I can hear about it. Therefore, perfect knowledge is acquired by hearing. So we accept knowledge, perfect knowledge, by hearing. Another example, suppose a man is sleeping. At that time, if somebody is coming to kill him, he is sleeping, he does not know. But if some of his friend warns him, my dear Mr. Such and Such, somebody is coming to kill you, wake up. He can hear and he can wake up and take precaution. Therefore, when our other senses cannot work, our ear is very strong. Therefore, it is recommended that you try to hear from the authoritative person. Educational system is also like that. Why do come to university, school and college? To hear from an experienced professor. He knows, and you acquire the knowledge by hearing.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,